This tutorial will show you how to add new fonts in Photoshop. First of all, we need to download the font. To do that, go to the browser and open this website Dafonts.com. From here you can download any font by clicking on download button. Once it downloaded, we need to unzip the file. Open the folder, double click on this font and click on install. The font will be installed. Now let's use the font. I'm gonna selecting the text here and clicking on the font option and searching for the font, which one I just added. This is the font. That's how we can add font in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.